Jerry, I can't
Jerry's
drive
in
your
it?
car.
Yeah, you're going to both be in it. Perfect.
My
Okay.
feet don't go that far. There.
Alrighty. Yeah, you're good. Just hope it doesn't end up in your lap.
I want a seatbelt.
Yeah, you do.
Nah,
Oh.
nah, I'm fine.
Oh, what happened? There we go.
Start the engine.
Yeah, I know.
I don't hear the engine run.
It's always ready. It's like a... Are we going? On here?
Is the camera going? Red lights flashing. Hi, everybody.
It's Jerry and Colleen taking a ride in my Tesla Roadster. We're going to do carpool karaoke.
Do we have music queued up?
No. We were just going to...
Oh, just sing without music, because I can do...
Asked that girl what she wanted to do. She said, baby, what she wanted to be. I said, baby, can't you see? I want to be famous, star of the screen, but you can do something in between. Baby, you can drive my car. It accelerates so fast we knocked it off the dash. Baby, you can drive my... Watch this. No power steering. Yes, I'm gonna be a star.
Oh, jeez.
Drive my car.
This is like the fair.
I know, it's like a carnival ride.
Oh, my God.
And maybe I won't kill you.
Beep,
Beep, beep, beep, beep, yeah. Okay, I think we're done.
Okay, that was really bad singing.
I knocked it off on the first acceleration. We were laughing.
He went really fast. Quick.
It was right on cue. No, it's okay. See